Hello, it's Jane Hardy from Fabulous Networking. One thing I really struggle with is getting people to open up, because I really want to be able to support you and your business. So what questions would you like to ask me to enable your business to grow? Whether you're thinking of collaboration perhaps with somebody else to make your business look bigger, and having associates in your business to pull them in when you might not be the expert in that particular field. Or are you looking for a referral? Who could really help and boost your business by understanding more about what you do or how you make people feel? Probably even more important. So please ask me, or please ask any of your other fabulous networking contacts, and be clear about your message so that others, when you're doing your 60 seconds, can immediately go, I know exactly who that person needs to speak to, because I know that they can help them. So keep talking about the ears, but keep listening and listen out for little secrets. But the easier you make it for others to understand the type of your ideal client, the easier it is to refer you. And don't forget, I'm here. Please ask me. Ask for help. Let me know the type of person you're really looking for, or just want a tip or a bit of advice. Then send me a little email, phone me up. I'd love to hear from you. And maybe your issue or potential problem or whatever, by being given the answer to that, we can help many others, because if you've got that question, you can bet your bottom dollar that a few others have too. That's all for now. Don't be a stranger, and remember to ask for help. Bye.